at this M-Power. We got the right sticker. And our superheat and subcooling are much better. Our temperature goes down to 43 degrees. That's where the thermostat cuts out the compressor at 43 degrees. So 1,675 grams, which is 3.9 pounds or something, was way too much for this. They had the wrong sticker in there. He found out the charge quantity, the correct one. He put the right sticker for the right year on here, and now it works good. Yeah, 88 super subcooling was way too much, and it was 8 superheat was way too low. See you guys later. Oh, and look at it's 73 degrees outside. Look at the high side. That doesn't look too high, right? Look at that low side. Everyone says that's too low. It's not.